again another video reaction to Dimash, and I really appreciate to you, all of you who are watching our videos, and because someone recommended me to comment on his song. What's the title? Is that? Sorry, the title Across Endless Dimensions. Ayan. So I'm really lucky because someone comment me like this and like that, and I know you're a fan of Dimash, and I really want to say thank you because you really appreciate what we are doing, and now I want to give everything. It's like I'm going to give another reaction to him, and thank you so much. I really appreciate that, and I came to know now about Dimash, and Dimash is such an amazing singer. So today we're going to make another video reaction, and it's my first time to hear this song, the one you recommended. So thank you so much and keep in touch. Let's start. So guys, before I'm going to start my reaction, I just want to recommend this channel, Manong Baro. He's from Norway and he's trying to show the beauty of Norway and also his lifestyle, cooking like that and everything. So please guys, to connect and subscribe to his channel and watch all his beautiful videos. And also Sir Blackstone MOTOVLOG. Sir Blackstone MOTOVLOG is producing a lot of videos about cinematic event which he is getting to his when he's driving like that and everything. It's all about getting using his drone. He's one also of our member, and also Lifego. Please don't forget to check out them below. He's fan of playing games on online games, and also Mamang Promdi. Mamang Promdi is fun also of doing live streaming, and he's really good at that. And also Godspeed Prosperous Journey. He's good at live streaming also, I think. And I really recommend their channel. They are the one who is supporting our channel right now, and these channels are very legit and they are very supportive. So guys, please connect to them and see them on my description. So ayon. Wow, it's going now, it's going, it's starting to, the show is starting to, ooh, and he's trying to really slow the song. It's very soft, and his voice is clear, and he really sings to, like doing his action, everything, and I love it. It's perfect. The show is starting to, ooh, and he's trying to really slow the song. It's very soft, and his voice is clear, and he really sings to, like doing his action, everything, and I love it. It's perfect. Wow, he's going now. He's going. It's starting to. The show is starting to. Ooh, and he's trying to really slow the song. It's very soft and um, his voice is clear and he really sings to, like doing his action, everything, and I love it. It's perfect. Wow! It's pretty cool! Right? This is the part which I really like to a singer because this is the part where it's like they are they are producing their strength. It's like if they are on stage and they are singing and it's like they are going to jump, they are going to put up the mic, everything, and this is very wow. It's very incredible. It's totally beautiful voice. Wow. He's really he's really feeling the song. It's like when you're a singer and your song is dedicated to someone, which is there's a story behind that song and you're singing, it's very amazing and it's really wow. And I really love it. It's pretty cool, right? Whoo! Can you do that? It's very low. When you sing, your voice is it's going to be slow. You're not going to breathe. Can you hold your breath within a second while singing? For him, it's really different and it's totally amazing. It's like, wow, this is it. Yeah, perfect. It's the best singer in the world. And I agree with that. I really agree. God gave him very unique talent, which he really improved it, and everything is. Mhm. I really love it. This is the part of being voice of an alien because no one can ever do this voice like this. It's very different and it's amazing. I love it. Everything for him it's like perfect and the way is it's like it's a wave which is going very slowly, 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 and then fast. I really like the way he did, and it's perfect, perfect. Oh my! Oh! This is a mess. Wow, I'm speechless. I'm surprised. I thought, oh, what's that? It's like, it seems he's not a human. It's like, ooh, you're going to jump. Where are you going? It's like, hi. This is the most exciting part of this. I love this. It's really cool, and you need to check this out. It's very amazing talent. I love this and everything. Wow. Okay, so hello. What can you see to his voice? It's really amazing. It's like he's getting his voice coming from the air, and it's really cool, and I really love it. Everything is perfect, and it's totally amazing. It's like my skin is my skin is ooh. It's like nalalamig ba? Charot. Yeah, I love him as a singer, and indeed he has a beautiful voice.